What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on mounting a whip flag to the back of the truck. I don't know if you guys heard, I don't know if this is a rumor or I don't know what's going on, but people are telling me that Pismo is closing down Oceana Dunes. You won't be able to drive a car or automobile, whatever, on the dunes anymore. So we're trying to get out there and have some fun before it closes down. And you can't hit the dunes without a flag. So we gotta mount that ASAP. I'm just gonna quickly go over all the stuff you need to mount a whip flag to your truck. It's fairly simple, should only take a few minutes for you to do. And let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna need is a mount of some sort. These are the Cali raised bed accessory mounts. I have one here and one on the other side. I think I'm gonna mount an antenna on that side. I'm gonna keep this one just for flags when we go out. You're also gonna need a pole. This is a 3/8 fiberglass pole from Gorilla Whips. You're also gonna need a mount for that pole. This is a 3/8 whip flag mount from Gorilla Whips. Pretty much everything here is from Gorilla Whips, aside from the flag. You're also gonna need a flag mount of some sort. This is gonna be the flag we're using today. It's Trail Hunter's flag. I think we're getting a bigger one, but for now we're going to be running this one. You're also going to need some touch-up paint of some sort to fill in that bare metal when you drill it out. You're going to need a drill and a 1/2 bit. These mounts right here come pre-drilled to a 3/8, I believe. You're just going to have to bump it out with a 1/2 just to be able to mount that mount. Just want to do this first because once you paint it, you're gonna have to let it dry. So drill this out first. You have that hole drilled out. You're just gonna hit it with some touch-up paint or primer, whatever you have on hand. So while you're waiting for that, you want to measure out 8 feet from the ground. So it just needs to sit 8 feet from the ground. So 43 inches from the mount gives me about 8 feet from the ground to the top of the flag, and that's where you want to be at. So I went through, I don't know if you can see that, marked 43 inches of pole, and then I'm just going to go through and cut this. This is about 43 inches, or it is 43 inches. Just use a regular saw, cut it off. From here, you're just going to take your flag mount, throw these in. Cool. Then you should be able to just move them wherever you need to move them. They're like not tightened all the way in. So once you got those two in, kind of loosely put on, you can throw the cap on the top. About yay. And then adjust these accordingly, however which way you want them to be. They come with these little carabiners. Throw that on. And then from there, you should be able to just hook in your flag. Cool. Then you got your flag made. I think it's about time to mount the mount. So the way the mount works is this part right here is going to sit on top of the accessory mount on the truck. And it's going to go washer, locking washer, then the nut. And that's how you put it on. Sorry for the super booty angle, but tripod's not high enough. So you're just going to throw the mount in, the washer, locking nut, then the nut. I feel like every time I do a video, Amazon shows up. This top one is like an 18 or a 19. I couldn't find it, so I'm just going to use a plumbing wrench. And then the little nut on the bottom is also 19. That's installed. You should be able to just throw this in there And there you go. Is in. Not a lot of wind today, so that's why it's dripping like that. But gonna be solid. That's installed. Should be ready for Pismo this weekend. Fairly easy to install. Yeah, so all these parts, I'm gonna link them down in the description for you. You don't have to use them. You can get these parts anywhere. I'm pretty sure you can buy it off of Amazon if you really wanted to. But yeah, hope this was informative for you guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Peace.